So we got for you all, sorry, I haven't been on camera for a while now. Yeah, geez. Today we have this wonderful Nissan, and it's doing Nissan things. Customer complaint was that there's a noise. And, oh, check this out. It's fabulous. Yes, queen. Okay. So this got dropped off by the tow truck. Tony pulled in. He said, oh my God. Sparkly. Tony said that it makes a very, very nasty noise. And where's the key? Hold. Infiniti is supplying power to the vehicle's battery. Okay. Okay, and Tony said that it makes the noise when you drive.
Close the door. It's that bad.
Will it move?
It should. I don't know. It might have lost reverse.
Should I put the e-brake on?
No, it'll move. It'll move fine.
Well, why am I closing the door?
Because it's going to start to shake, and I don't want the door to slam
Oh,
into the
shit.
lid.
Okay, here we go. Holy fuck.
The same look on my face, bro!
Is the center support bearing non-existent?
Bro, it's something inside that transfer case. I'm with Brandon on that.
Oh, you already looked underneath it?
I looked underneath. I can't move the drive shaft up and down, but the fact that it's in park right now and I can do this. That's way too much movement for that.
Customer had this looked at a different shop for a cat code, but once we got it up to temp, we noticed there was a crack in the block and it was spraying coolant all over the place. So this one actually left with a new motor in it. A quick little shop update for you guys. As a bonus here, we did finally get rid of the paint booth. I'm really thankful for that. I just kind of got burned out on paint, honestly. Been doing it for so long that got a little jaded. But some real nice dudes came down from, I think, Kingman or something. They're opening up a paint shop and they wanted a nice booth. So it's about 3 hours north of us now, up above Phoenix. Now this is my specific repair bay. We use it a lot for diagnostic and stuff now, but if I'm working on anything personally, this is where I get all my work done, and I got pretty well set up over here. We still obviously got some cleaning and some stuff to do, but I'm real happy with the new setup. This caliber was an absolute monstrosity. This was brought in by a crackhead actually, who said that it wouldn't go above 5 miles an hour. I'm really glad at the end of the day this guy wound up declining repairs on this, because as you can see, there was just JB Weld, house electrical stuff all over the place. Just absolutely just terrifying liability mess just waiting to happen. Complaint was that it wouldn't go above 5 miles an hour. We found out the cat was clogged, but luckily he didn't get anything done.
Well, let's see if it'll scan.
Might burn up the scanner.
Oh my God.
This was a job that started small and just escalated real quick. The concern on this one was that the blend door wouldn't change from hot to cold on the driver's side. Went to take the easy to get to servo motor off on the passenger side floorboard, and there was a chunk of the blend door that fell out with it. So he wound up needing an entire HVAC box assembly with new blend doors.
Alright, so I'm tacking together the exhaust for the Cressida that we have, and he just wanted quick and dirty, and he brought the cats. They're 2-inch cats, which we did 2.5-inch for the headers, so oh well. I just got it all tacked together. We're putting it in. This is a LS400 or 1UZ swap in a 84 Cressida. He just wants to get it running and driving for his wife to tote around in and go to car shows with him and stuff like that. So I'm finishing the exhaust. We've done brake lines. I had to redo the radiator hose. I had to make a power steering line because the one from the Cressida in the rack won't work with the pump for the 1UZ. Yeah, so after that is going to be figuring out the wiring, which apparently the company that he bought the wiring harness from went out of business 2 weeks after he bought it. So this will be fun.
So I'll leave this one at this. We've learned in all our years as mechanics that Hyundai's only come in for two things. Oil change or a new engine. Customer states that there's some looseness in the wheel when he's driving, like there's some slop, and there's a clunking noise.
Do you see those two big bolts?
So right now I'm doing my CAD because I'm making reservoirs for the brake and clutch. And what I want to do is once I have this together, you know, with this one's going to be for the brake, this one's going to be for the clutch. I want to take this setup and flip it so that in the two corners next to the strut towers, you're going to have the same exact boxes, where the other side is going to be the breather box for the crankcase, and it's going to be the coolant expansion tank. Just getting that together, and then I got to make it on the CAD little program, and we started using Send Cut Send, and we're supposed to have their stuff soon, so I'm hoping it's good.
What are they?
Oh, the Send Cut Send, so it's I designed something, right? I send them the design, they cut it, and they send it back. So what I mean by if it's good is if my design actually worked, because they cut out exactly what I drew. So when that shows up, it'll be little brackets that we have for this, the reservoir, or the, not the reservoir, the coolant, or the radiator fan shroud. So I did that, throttle cable bracket, the mounts for the oil cooler, and a few other little things. And then if these all come in good and I actually made them correctly, I'm going to make more and send it off. That way we can get more going on with this, because I'll probably have them do, I might have them do the reservoirs, or I might go to our friend Dave. It's kind of up in the air on which option I'm going to go with. Either way, it needs to be welded. Either way, it needs to be made into a little program. But yeah, getting this further, because I like this car. It's fun. Ooh, candy. Wow, this is cool. Aw. We're excited to see what you build. They do care. So this is the fan shroud. This is the upper radiator mount. These two are for the oil cooler. This is the throttle body mount or bracket, and then this is the turn for the brake master cylinder. It's time to put this thing together.
guys like videos like this, or if you like chicken fried rice, leave us a comment down below. And we'll make sure to post some more videos like this of the Just Fold In, updates on the shop, stuff like that. Really appreciate y'all. We're going to try to upload more often again. It's been super busy with shop stuff. So, thanks. Like and subscribe. Do all that. You know, help us out.